today, actually, in the trigonometry, we have left a small part. We actually did not cover, we covered the basic trigonometry part, but we did not do what? Trigonometric equations. So we have to cover trigonometric equations first. After trigonometric equations, we will be covering the quadratic equation part. Okay. What about others? Radhika, Jama, and Diva. Okay. See, what are trigonometric equations? Haripi, we did not cover trigonometric equations now? Solution of trigonometric equations?
No, sir.
See, what we do in the trigonometric equations, trigonometric equations are actually used for getting the solutions of trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations are there, and you sometimes while after solving the trigonometric equations, you get answers like sine theta is equal to 1, sine theta is equal to pi by 3. But if you see the graph of this sine, the problem arises here. When you have this graph, the graph of sine x, अरे ये क्या हुआ? गायब कहाँ हो गया? This is sine x graph. ऊपर नीचे हुआ के पता नहीं कहाँ गया. See, the problem is when I'm asking the value 1, means I have suppose I have given in the question sine theta is equal to 1. It is a simple one. Sine theta is equal to 1 is given to me. Now what angle I will take? Because sine theta is equal to 1, you will get at different points. At x is equal to 0, at x is equal to pi by 2 also you will get. Again at x is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 2 means 5 pi by 2 also you can take. Again if you add 2 pi, 9 pi by 2 also you will get. So what value? So you are getting the value of theta as pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, like that. So what value you will be taking? Now using this trigonometric equations, they have given some standard set of formulas using which you can actually find out what is the exact solution of the particular trigonometric equation. Okay. Usually whenever you have something like things like something this sine theta is equal to something, sine theta is equal to sine alpha or something. The basic solution is usually theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, like that. Okay, but they have given, actually this does not always holds true, because if we see this one in this particular case, this is why it is lacking. Because if you see here, the period of sin x is 2 pi, means after every 2 pi it will be repeating its same value, because the graph is such. Similarly, after this 2 pi value, it will be repeating itself. So the usual thing is the solution of a particular trigonometric function becomes theta is equal to the period added integral times plus that angle. Usually, this is usual, but not always, because sometimes in middle also you get some values. So I'll give you some general equation, general solution, and according to that you will be able to solve the questions. Let me give you some general solutions first. General solution of standard trigonometric equations. First case is sin theta is equal to sin alpha. And sin theta is equal to sin alpha, the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. This is the general solution. But here you must be getting doubt. Sir, why did you write n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha for this? Yes, na?
You wrote 2n pi.
I wrote 2n pi plus or minus alpha initially. But I said it's usually, not always. That's why we are giving the general solution of this standard trigonometric equation is just some formulas I'm giving. Why do we get this kind of answer as a general solution? Because see, if you use this sign, the proof is, actually the proof is irrelevant, but just for the sake of explaining you, I'm showing it. It won't help you in solving problems. The only thing that will help you is this thing, this general solution that I have given. The proof is, if you have sin theta is equal to sin alpha, you can write it as sin theta minus sin alpha is equal to 0. Do you remember sin A minus sin B formula? Sin C minus sin D formula.
Sine of c plus 2 sine of c plus
Now
d by
2,
2.
2 sin C minus D by 2, theta minus alpha by 2, cos of C plus D by 2 is there.
It's for sine c minus sine c minus sine d. I told you for sine c plus.
Acha, sin C plus sin. No, I'm asking for sin C minus sin. So here, see what we get. Shama, we are doing trigonometric equations. After trigonometric equations, because this is smaller one, smaller chapter. After this, we'll start trigonometric, this quadratic one.
Okay.
Now,
So this is
when
the last part of trigonometry, right?
last part of trigonometry. Actually, we
Okay.
did not do it. That's why I'm trying to cover it now. Now here we have got this one. Now here, if this is 0, we can have two cases. Either sine of theta minus alpha by 2 is 0, or cos of theta plus alpha by 2 is 0. This is 0. So now if this becomes 0, theta minus alpha by 2 becomes 0, this, what answer I can write it as m pi. Because see, the sine becomes 0 at every pi interval. 0, again at pi it will become 0, again at 2 pi it will become 0, again at 3 pi it will become 0, like that. So after an interval of pi it becomes 0. So that's why I have written theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to m pi. Similarly, or you can take cos theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. In that case, theta plus alpha by 2 must be equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by 2. The answer you'll get if you know the cos graph. Let me draw that also. You have to be very thorough in drawing the graph. I think I have shown this, told you, shown the graph. राधिका ने छुट्टी मार ली भैया. This is 0, pi by 2. Again, after an interval of pi, it will become 0, means pi by 2 plus pi, it is 3 pi by 2. It is 3 pi by 2 plus, then again it's 5 pi by 2. Getting it?
Yes.
So at what values? First, if I take m is equal to 0, pi by 2 it will become 0 cos theta, and then again at uh, 3 pi by 2 means m is equal to 1, at m is equal to 2, like that. So that's why here I get theta is equal to 2m pi plus alpha, and here theta is equal to 2m plus 1 into pi minus alpha. Now these are the two solutions you are getting. You have to get a solution which contains both of them. Here if you see, this 2m represents what? This 2m represents even. If you take, see, because you have m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Na? So whatever you take number, whatever number you take, this 2m becomes even only. 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, like that. So always this will be even. So theta here is what? It is the even multiple of pi plus alpha. Here, this is whatever value you take, you will get always odd number. This represents odd. So this is, here in this case you get odd multiple of pi. The values you are getting is 1, 3 minus alpha. So if you combine these two, odd multiples and even multiples, you have to combine both of these. Means in the answer, in the final answer, you should get, you should have the number n pi, which would take odd values also and even values also, because 1 is odd, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 is even, n is equal to 3 is odd, n is equal to 4 is even. So both the cases have been combined. Okay. Again, here plus is there, minus is also there. So minus also we have to take part. So we'll do minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So for n is equal to 1, when n it is an odd number, you'll get minus thing. When n is equal to even 1, you'll get plus thing. So that's why we get the result as this, combining both the cases. Understood? Why we get the general solution as theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n to alpha.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Usually when students will solve the question, they will do like that only, the earlier case. Theta is equal to 2 n pi plus alpha, and we'll get the answer. That's all. That's not true. This general solution you have to use. Similarly, for cos theta is equal to cos alpha, you'll get general solution is theta is equal to 2 n pi plus or minus alpha. For this, it will be the same way only you will do. You will apply cos theta minus cos alpha, and then you will see what are the two different cases, find a solution for each of them, and then combine both the cases. You'll get a result, get this kind of result only. This general solution, these general solutions only you have to remember for solving questions. Now for tan theta is equal to tan alpha, you will get the general solution as theta is equal to, sorry, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Now using these results, can you give me the general solution of these? Uh, Let me show them. This is this, this is for sine theta is equal to sine alpha. These are three results. I want general solution for a sine theta is equal to 0. Tell me for sine theta is equal to 0. Second is sine theta is equal to 1. Sine theta is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to infinity. Quickly give me what should be the solutions. Also get for cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 1 here. Cos theta is equal to minus 1. Give general solution for these cases: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. What happened? बताओ भाई, this should be easy. Give me answer for at least one. It's easy na.
First one would be n5.
हाँ, for this it will be n pi, theta is equal to n pi. For second,
N pi plus or minus 1 whole to the power n pi by 2.
hmm,
The next one would be n pi plus or minus 1 whole to the power.
okay na, you are able to find it easily.
Yes.
Hmm. You will find it very easily. It's easy. Now let me give you some questions.
Sir, what was the last one?
Which one? Last one was cot theta is infinity. Answer you want.
Uh,
Theta is n pi. Cot 0 is infinity na. The answer will be theta is equal to n pi. You are asking for tan
yes,
theta.
sir.
Hmm.
No, I got it. I asked you for cot it.
Cot theta na is n pi. Just one.
It's the same for even the inverse of it.
Now see. Now let me give you question. We'll start from the easier one, then slowly we'll move to difficult. So this is your first question. Okay.
So can you show the general formula for theta sign?
Sign one. this n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. You actually write it in your notebook. It will be helpful.
So can you move down? So can you explain the formula one more time? No.
Which one?
No. I got it. I got it. Will it be C for the first one? N pi plus minus 1 power n plus pi.
C. Correct.
In place of substitute the theta.
See, usually, if you did not know the general solution, usually students will take B. But if you know the general solution, that formula, then you will take this one. Clear to everyone?
Well, this was there in NCRT before, I guess. Now it's deleted.
But actually, this part is in your JE, they ask indirectly. Because whenever it's there, whenever you are solving the equations you can solve everywhere. Means in trigonometry also they can ask you. Normal trigonometry asking to solve the equations. There you have to use these methods, use these concepts. Otherwise you'll get it wrong. The answer you'll get it wrong. Kanishka, got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, before doing this, try solving this one. दिवा आ गया ना आंसर? इजी है ये तो पहले वाला तो फर्स्ट वन इज वेरी इजी. First one and even second one is also very easy. Quickly find the answer. Priya would have got it. Now try solving the second one. Now I'll give the questions of the type which Diva was sending. जिस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में डाउट आ रहा था ना दिवा तुम्हें उस टाइप के
Sir,
क्वेश्चन.
the n pi. No. Sir, I got two solutions plus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2.
For this, you have to take every case.
Sir, we'll get 1 by 2 means theta will be 45. And this will be 90 plus 135 then.
Not like that. You have to find out all the general solutions. It's not only one value you'll get, because after even 2 pi intervals or and pi intervals you'll get the same value repeated. So you have to show all those values. The one easy way is, let me show you. Here it's sine 3 theta is equal to sine theta is there. If you try to find out its solution, it will be what? 3 theta is equal
Sine
to
theta minus 4
n pi.
sine theta equals sine theta.
This one.
Okay. Oh, now I have to divide 3 on both sides.
Now you have to take two cases. Here, because you have got this one now, you cannot just take theta here and then add or subtract. You have to take two cases here. One case is, case one is if n is even. If n is even, then it will be 3 theta minus theta is equal to n pi. So your 4 theta will be equal to, 2 theta will be equal to n pi and theta will be equal to n pi by 2. No answer. Hmm. What am I doing wrong? Acha. No, 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 no. Acha. Let me write it this way. I have to substitute. Take all the even values only, na? Hmm. Let's take it as m pi plus minus 1 whole power m, then it's okay. If m is even, we have to take two cases. If it's m is even, then I can take m is equal to 2n. That would be okay. That would be fine. Now, 3 theta is equal to, I can write 2n pi, because that will cover every value. When we have n is equal to 1, 2, 3, for every these values, I will get m is equal to odd only. Sorry, m is equal to even only. 2, 4, 6 like that. So here I'll get even number. So it will be 2 theta is equal to 2n pi. Theta is equal to n pi I'm getting. A and D options are gone. B and C options are there. Now the second case I have to take. Second case is if m is odd. If m is odd, what I can take? M is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. M is 2n plus 1. Starting from 0. So 3 theta will be 2n plus 1 into pi minus theta. So 4 theta will be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. I'm getting any answer, or theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. It seems the answer is B.
Anyway, we don't also guess because you're getting one solution 1 by root 2, so definitely pi by 4 is the solution.
Like that also you can check. Putting the values, number values.
But in case all the options are pi by 4 and you're not able to get the second equation, then it's done.
Now tell me, did you understand, everyone? Diva, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tricky है ना थोड़ा?
Yes, sir. But concept आ गया समझ में.
अब समझ में आ गया ना? अच्छा. Haripriya, okay? For everyone it is okay na? Shall I move now?
Yes.
Kanishka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try to solve this question. Radhika did not attend this class. She is telling work issue हो रहा है. On the next class she will say, sir, I'm not able to understand.
So n pi plus minus 1 to the power n 7 pi by 2.
Into 7 pi by 6. No.
So is it option B?
No. The answer is option D.
How is that?
I got plus or minus 5
So I got x to
7.
be minus 1 by 2.
Then you should get minus pi by 6. Na? Why did you take 7 pi by 6?
Okay. I didn't notice the minus. Okay.
D. Kanishka and Diva, तुम्हारा आंसर आया? सॉल्व करके दिखाऊं?
Sir, I knew that sin theta will be minus 1 by 2, but after that, I didn't do it.
After that, after that part only you'll get the answer. Because, let me solve it completely. 2 sine square theta minus 3 sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0 is there. So 2 sine square theta minus 4 sine theta plus sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. We'll factorize it. 2 sine theta into sine theta minus 2 plus 1 into sine theta minus 2. Now 2 sine theta plus 1 into sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here you'll get two values. Either sine theta is equal to minus half or sine theta is equal to 2, which is not possible. This is not possible. Why? Because sine theta value maximum is 1, because the graph does not go beyond 1 or minus 1. That's why this is not possible. So you'll take sine theta is equal to minus half. But here, minus half, what you can write as sine of minus pi by 6. Now, if you can write it like this, the solution is simple. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into minus pi by 6, which you can write as n pi minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. That's why your answer is D. Okay, now try solving this question. This question is different because see, here in this particular case, I have taken minus pi by 6. I could take minus pi by 6 because no interval was given.
Interval is given, right?
But when interval is given, you have to take that minimum value which lies in the interval. For this question, I have given this question that way.
Will the answer be 5? Option B.
Wait, let me check. They are saying 6. What value you are getting? Sin x is equal to 1 by 3 you are getting?
Yes, sir.
How you are getting? In the interval 0 to 5 pi. Draw the graph. Sorry, sin x. Five. Yeah. What is it? Times. Pi to pi 5. A 1 by 3 value you will get. Why? This is suppose 1 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only you are getting. It's simple.
Yes, sir.
तुमने किया कैसे दिवा?
सर मुझे आ गया समझ में.
अच्छा अभी कंफ्यूजिंग तो नहीं लग रहा ना? Because this part is this is actually confusing to many of the students. The simplest way of solving any trigonometric equation is just draw the graph. Just draw the graph, find out the point of intersections, you'll get the number of solutions in the specified interval. If you do not use it, if they are asking general solutions like this, use this. Otherwise, if they are asking the number of solutions, use the graph. That's the most easiest way, because see, what I did here, just drew the graph and took y is equal to 1 by 3, because I'm getting this sin x is equal to 1 by 3. Divide it into two graphs. One is y is equal to sin x, other is y is equal to 1 by 3. Draw each of the graph and then find out the point of intersection. That's the shortcut method. Sin x is equal to 1 by 3 is given. Take y is equal to sin x, take y is equal to 1 by 3. Find point of intersections. In given interval. That will be your solution. Asha, do you know something about determinants? Do you know determinants aate hai? You know determinants? 3 by 3. Solving the
That's
basic method.
for vectors and the area of triangles, right? So
I taught you guys this. The Haripriya knows, Shyama knows, Kanishka तुम्हें आता है? I think she was not there. Kanishka, you know how to solve the determinant?
No, sir.
But did you learn somewhere else? और दीवा कोचिंग में पढ़ाया कहीं वहां पे उन्होंने?
नो सर अभी तो
नहीं पढ़ाया. अच्छा, won't give them. Try solving this question. Acha, I wanted to ask, how everyone tried to attempt this question? Did you solve using this one, this graph only, or you were trying some other method? Haripriya, how you were
I was
solving?
trying to find, the value of x for one side.
Shama, you?
The same thing always.
Acha. Then you must have got confused how to get the answer.
I
Acha, try this one.
Sir, option C.
C. No, why you are doing it wrong? They said it's A. You, everyone is getting wrong answer. Your answer is C. They are saying it is A. So the mistake that you have done is in the B part. 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6. And n pi plus pi by 3. Check whether you have done silly mistake or not. See why I am telling Haripriya? Because if you forget to do like this, 2 theta is, if you are getting answer 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6. No. Some mistake you have done. You want me to solve? Only 2 minutes are left. Let me solve it quickly. See, sine 6 theta plus sine 4 theta plus sine 2 theta is there. We use these two. Sine c plus sine d. Get 2 sine c plus d by 2. I won't get common. I will use these two. Sine 6 theta plus sine 2 theta plus sine 4 theta. I will add these two. I'll get 2 sine c plus d by 2, that is 8 theta 4 theta. And second is cos c minus d by 2, that is 4 theta by 2, that is 2 theta.
So this I also did, sir.
What, this much?
Yeah. The same method. I got like 2 sine 4 theta. I could take 2 cos 2 theta common.
Then why did you not get the answer, final answer?
I didn't know. So.
See, either you'll get two cases.
Okay.
Sine 4 theta will be equal to 0. First one. Or you'll get cos 2 theta is equal to minus half. The second one. If you use this one, you'll get the solution as 4 theta is equal to
N pi plus n minus
n pi plus 0. Minus 1 into whole power into 0. So it will be n pi. 4 theta is equal to n pi. So theta is equal to n pi by 4. This part, Haripriya has got the right answer. The problem
I got till here and I didn't proceed.
then cos 2 theta is equal to minus half. So cos
2 sine theta. No.
Sir, no, sir, I got it.
You got it?
10.
What angle did you take? 2 pi by 3. Because see, you can take like this, cos 2 theta is equal to cos of minus pi by 3. Then in that case, you'll get answer as 2 theta. What is the general solution for theta? 2n pi, na? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. You get 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Then you'll get theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6.
Was mal okay, but
N pi by 4, n pi plus or minus pi by 6.
கடைசி weak interaction is hydrogen molecule.
2n pi plus, but what is their answer? Actually, they should have given.
Even I got 5.
Actually, they should have given the interval. It's the positive intervals only. Theta is positive, they should have given. then only we'll get this answer. Otherwise, C. Otherwise, I will take, if the positive is given, I'll take 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus 2 pi by 3. Okay, now this is, then theta will become n pi plus pi by 3. Plus or minus pi by 3.
Not bad. Chemistry and
Answer. What happened? Your sound is coming. Shama, your sound is coming. Mute your mic.
Sorry, it's a background noise.
So this is how you should get the answer. It's n pi by 4, n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Okay. Actually, they should have specified it is the theta is positive. Then only. Otherwise, you'll get this answer, n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Okay, let's end it then.
Thank you so much.